They'll still hear.
Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I'm Victoria Ayo. I'm a licensed real estate agent in North and South Carolina. I'm accompanied by my colleague.
My name is Joy Swanson. I'm also a local real estate professional.
So before you even continue watching this video, I want you to go ahead and hit that thumbs up and also hit that red subscribe button so more people can learn about Charlotte with ease. Come along with us. Let's tour this property together. So today we are actually in a community built by Mattamy Homes called Mattamy at Ridgewater, located right in Charlotte, North Carolina, almost close to the South Carolina border. So it's a little bit South Charlotte. A little bit about this model. This model home is called the Amelia. It has the option of being a 3-bedroom to a 4-bedroom. And also, guys, it has the option of being 2.5 to 3.5 bathroom. The total square footage here is over that 2,600 square feet. And the starting price here is in that high 300,000. So why don't you come along? Let's check it out together.
Hey guys, so here is the front entrance of our house. Where we walk in, we have the foyer area. And right here we have our dining room space, which is nicely turned into more of like a little living space area. So it just gives you, again, another idea of a way that you can lay out this front entrance and room. Of course, so you can still use it as your dining room area too as well. I'm sure.
Absolutely. And then guys, one thing I noticed here already, and I know a lot of you ask about this, is the flooring here. This is hardwood here throughout the home. So it's very interesting that you have that option with Mattamy Homes. You convert your entire downstairs area. And then immediately to our right here, we have the half bath. So here it is located right here. And then we have our drop zone. You know, you come in straight from the garage and you have your drop zone here.
Leading right into the kitchen here. Just a beautiful kitchen layout, gas stove, lots of space, lots of natural lighting.
Yeah, absolutely. One thing I want to point out is this island, the shape of this island. It's very conducive, you know, as you can see here, for chairs and kind of gathering. It really, really welcomes that. And I love that it's centralized right here. And I know, just speaking to a lot of people do not like the sink located in the island. I don't know, but I do, because it allows you, like if you're washing dishes, you can wash dishes and also like kind of keep an eye on what's going on in the living space area. Another thing I really want to point out here is the pantry. So this is actually a very decent sized pantry. So Mattamy does convey with stainless steel appliances, as you can see here. You have your choice of backsplash, you have your choice of kind of like if you want the granite or quartz. This is granite here.
So here we have our dining space area, just like a really good place to gather with family. This seats 6, but you know, I'm sure there's probably plenty of room to put like a farmhouse table. Leads into our living room area. So just a nice, cozy, intimate, relaxed area with a centralized fireplace. Just a good place to gather and just feel a little bit more at home, you know, inside of this house.
Yeah, and I think this is actually one of the most intimate living space areas we've previewed on this channel.
Yes.
And I actually really like it because sometimes, you know, just being together is better than kind of like, you know, being spread out all throughout the home. So I actually really enjoy the space here. And one thing, guys, that I really love is that easy access to the deck area, right through this living space. So you have this door, this double atrium doors here.
So out there, you are going to get a full deck, which is really nice, and I think a lot of the houses in this neighborhood offer.
Exactly. So there's the owner suite actually down here. We're going to take you guys to view that now. So right before we actually take you to see the owner's room, we have the laundry room here. It's conveniently located right next to the owner suite. And I like that, you know, there are cabinets here and you have the tile flooring in here as well.
So just like Victoria was saying, it's really nice that the laundry room is right next to our owner suite. So this owner suite is on the first floor, tray ceiling, natural light, beautiful, spacious living space. So right as you walk in, to your left, you have your glass stand-in shower, accompanied by a double vanity sink area with plenty of space, a full tub with lots of natural light available.
I love that big window. But it's kind of weird though, you know, taking a tub, because this literally backs up to the neighbor's window. So it's like, why would I want, you can't even leave this open. But anyway, little details, little details. You guys let me know in the comment section, let's talk about that. But so right over here, we have our enclosed toilet and water, or water closet, as I'm hearing a lot of people talk about it, call it. And something that we talked about in one of our last videos is the artwork. You guys notice that? So I did see some comments in one of the last videos where we pointed out the artwork in the space can make it just feel much more open and much more, you know, I guess breathable when you're having your quiet time.
Yeah, yeah.
So kind of like the moment we come up, well, before we talk about that, I wanted to just kind of quickly point out how spacious the stairwell is. You don't see that very often. So this is definitely, you know, if you have somebody that needs a little bit more space as they come up the stairs, this is a great option for that, a great floor plan that can accommodate that.
Yes.
So we walk up here into this gigantic loft area. So this loft area, it's big enough to chill, you know, if you needed a second living space, because the first one on the first floor is kind of a little bit intimate. So you have enough space here to make this a second living space area. Also, even make it kind of like a game room, or like if you have kids, this could be a study area, or this could just be like a man cave or a she shed, you know, except, you know, your kids would be walking through here all the time, you know, but.
Here's our first bedroom upstairs. Lots of space, natural light, our closet, which is like a sliding door.
And then of course, you know, this suite actually has its own bathroom. You have this is actually quartz countertop, your toilet, and also just the bathtub. And there are 2 rooms on the other side that we'll go look at together now. Before we start in the rooms, this is another bathroom for this side of the, I guess this side of upstairs. So it's the exact same thing we saw in the other bathroom here. I think this one is a little bit bigger. You still have your quartz countertop here, your bathtub, and your toilet. If it was me, I would have made this a double vanity sink, you know, because you do have 2 rooms here. So that's what I would have done personally.
So here is our second bedroom. This is just kind of turned into like an office type area, but of course you can use it as an office space or a bedroom, whichever you prefer. And yeah, they just have plenty of space in here.
Yep. I think this room actually, albeit is the smallest room we've seen, it has the biggest closet.
It does.
You know,
yeah,
so that's very, very interesting. I don't know why, you know, that option, that decision was made.
Maybe they know that families are going to move into here who have teenagers.
Yep, absolutely. Okay, so then we have one more bedroom here to check out. So this bedroom is probably my favorite bedroom that we've checked out in this floor plan because of the location of the window. The positioning of the window allows so much light to kind of penetrate through. And of course, this closet too is big. So you guys already know I'm a fan of big closets.
All right, guys, thank you for joining us on this beautiful house tour. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to Victoria's channel. Also give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment as well. And also, a lot of families are moving to this area, so why don't you guys too as well?
As Joy has said, thank you so much for watching the video. As always, more information can be found in the description bar below. You can find a link to contact us directly. We have our calendar provided there as well. So we would love for you to go ahead and take some time out of your schedule and schedule your one-on-one so we can talk with you and we can, you know, find out how we can best equip you with your transition to North and South Carolina. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.